let's learn how to solve this question. We are given two quadratic equations, and then we have to find this expression which is in the form of the roots of these equations. If we try to find the roots a, b, and c, d, we can see from the given equations that these roots are not simple values, because we have to find like this, right, which is very complex. And therefore, if we use that method, it will take the whole time. We know that sum of roots is minus b upon a, product of root is c upon a, which is minus 2024 equation first, and for the second one, can we simplify this expression so that we can use these expressions to find the value? Let's see. What if I just expand this expression? I will have, now I can take a square common, then b square common from these two terms, and so on. And I will have, for the simplification, we can see that we have the value of a plus b and c plus d, and we have to find this, which we can easily find. So let's directly put the values. So this is what we are left with, and I didn't calculate this expression fully. The reason is that we can see maybe some of the terms are cancelling out, that's why. And we can already see that this cancels out, so we are left with 8,000 plus 8,000, which is 16,000, and therefore our answer is D. If you enjoyed this solution, consider subscribing this channel and follow my page.